Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use less water in your toilet tank. This method focuses on displacing water, effectively reducing the amount used with each flush. By placing a weighted object inside the tank, you can trick your toilet into using less water without impacting its flushing power. This simple, cost-effective trick can save a significant amount of water over time, contributing to lower utility bills and environmental conservation. To prepare your water displacement device, choose a sturdy plastic bottle, ideally a 1 liter or half-gallon size. Fill it with sand or small pebbles to give it weight, ensuring it won't float. Once filled, securely cap the bottle to prevent any leaks into your toilet tank. This preparation is crucial for the longevity and effectiveness of your water-saving solution, making sure it stays put and doesn't interfere with the tank's mechanisms. Now, it's time to install your water-saving bottle. Gently lift the lid off your toilet tank and set it aside. Carefully place the weighted bottle inside the tank, making sure it rests at the bottom and is positioned away from any moving parts, such as the flush valve or the fill mechanism. It's important that the bottle doesn't interfere with the toilet's operation, allowing for a smooth and efficient flush every time. After placing the bottle, replace the tank lid and flush your toilet a few times to test its operation. Observe the water level and ensure the flush is still effective. If the flush seems weak, you might need a smaller bottle. This simple modification can reduce water usage by up to 1/2 gallon per flush, leading to substantial savings over a year. Enjoy the benefits of a more water-efficient home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.